Hi, good morning children. Today we are going to the rounding to the nearest 100. So, previous class we learn about the rounding to the nearest 10. Now we are going to the rounding to the nearest 100. So, in this we are taking 348 number. What is the number here? 348. This is a 3-digit number. So, we are taking here nearest 100. So, let us see number line. So, 300 to 400 number line will be there here. So, first 3-digit number. So, nearest 100 means you have to check here tens place. So, what is the tens place here? 48. 4 is there. So, this 4 is less than 5 or greater than 5 ma? So, 4 is the less than 5. So, where it is 340? Here is there. 340 here is there. So, 5 here is there. So, this is the less than 5. Yes or no? This is a less than 5. So, okay children. So, 4 is a less than 5. Yes or no? 4 is a less than 5. So, where it is 348. So, maybe here between is there. So, 340 and 350 between will become 448. So, we are taking here this side closer figure. Yes or no? So, this side closer figure we are taking. So, what is the closer figure here? 300. Above 5 means you have to go this side. Okay? Greater than 5 means you have to take this side. So, this is a less than 5. Yes or no? Less than 5 means you have to take this side closed figure. So, what is the closed figure here? 300. So, 348. So, this side will go what? 400. Closed figure is 400. This side will go 340. Okay? 340. Okay, 348, this side will go 400 and this side will come 300. Closed figure is 300. So, what is the nearest 100 is 300. You have to round it 300. So, 348 rounds up, rounded to the number to 300. Okay children? Next number is 362. So, once you have to check 362. Where it is 360? Here it is there. So, 360 here is there. 62 maybe in this middle will come 360 and 70. In middle will come 362. So, this is 6. You have to check in this also tens digit. Why? Because this is the nearest 100 now. So, you have to check in tens place. What is the tens place here? 6. 6 is less than 5 or greater than 5? Yes, this is a greater than 5. Greater than 5 means you have to go this side, left side or right side. You have to go this side. So, what is this side closed figure? So, here it is 400. Closed figure it is 400. So, 362. This side closed figure is 400. And this side closed figure is 300. So, this is 6 is greater than 5 means you have to go this side. Okay, 362. So, 6 is a greater than 5. Greater than 5 means you have to go this side closed figure. What is this side closed figure is 400. So, you have to round this number. So, 362 rounded up to rounds up to 400. In this way you have to go to the nearest 100. Okay, first point. Okay, next rounding to the nearest 1000. Before class we learned the nearest 100, nearest 10. Now we are going to the nearest 1000. So, what is the number here? See 5248. What is the number here? 5248. So, when it will go nearest 1000, you have to check 100 digit. Understood ma? When you are going to the nearest 1000, you have to check 100 digit. What is here 100 digit? Here it is 2. 2 is less than 5 or greater than 5? Yes, 2 is the less than 5. So, where it is 5249? See here 5200 is there, 5300 is there. So 5249 is middle it will become. Yes or no? 5200 and 5300 middle it will become 5249. So you have to take closed figure is 5200. So this 2. So you have to check 100 digit. What is the 100 digit in place? 100 place in 2 is there. So 2 is less than 5 or greater than 5. First you have to check that is a must. So and 2 is less than 5. Okay, 2 is the less than 5. So you have to go this side or that side. Yes, you have to come this side closed figure. What is the closed figure here? 5000. When it will come less than 5 means you have to come this side. Okay, what is the closed figure is 5000. So 5249 closed figure is 5000. So you have to round. This side will go means 6000. This side will come means 5000. So what is the correct here? 5000. So you have to round this number. So 5249 rounds up to 5000. Okay children. Next it will come 5632. If it will come 5632, in this also you have to check 100 digit. So what is the 100 digit here? 6. Where it will come? See, once you have to observe in number line. So 5600. Where it is? 5600 it will be. So here 32 also will be there. So 5600 and 5700 it will become. In middle it will become 5632. So we are checking here 100 digit 6. So 6 5600. So this 5600 6 is less than 5 or greater than 5? Yes, this is a greater than 5. Greater than 5 means we are going to the this side closed figure. So what is the closed figure here? 6000. Okay. So you have to go this side. 5632 less than 5 means you have to come this side. Greater than 5 means you have to go this side. So now 6 is a greater than 5 means you have to round this 6000. So 5632 rounded up to 6000. This is the rounding to the nearest 1000. So in this way you have to go nearest 1000. Okay children, I hope you understood. So next I will go to the exercise ma. Okay, pause. Next let us see exercise 1.5 ma. See, first bit is a round off the following numbers to the nearest tens. Okay. Already I explained examples now. So you have to do these sums. I will explain in this 1-2 sums you have to do afterwards. So first what is I am explaining here, second one B1. So what is this? 217. So 217, here you have to find out nearest tens. So in this also you have to observe a number line. See, 217 means you have to take 210 to 220. So this side closed figure is 210 and that side is the closed figure is 220. So where it will come? So you have to check here nearest tens means you have to check ones place. So ones place digit is 7. So ones place digit is 7. So where it is 7? So 210, 11, 12, 13, 14 is 17. Where it is? So 217 is here. So this 217, 7 is less than 5 or greater than 5? Yes, it is greater than 5. 7 is a greater than 5. So less than 5 means you have to take this side closed figure. Okay, less than 5 means you have to take this side closed figure. But 7 is greater than 5. So you have to go this side closed figure. So what is this side closed figure? 220. So 217 rounded up to the 220. 217 rounds up to 220. 20. Okay children, next we are going to the next one. Next one what? F1. See 7014. 7014. Here it came 4 digit number, but you don't confuse. 4 digit also you have to check in ones place. So what is a ones place? So once you have to go number line. This is 7014 na? So you have to take 7010 to 7020. So this side closed figure is 7010. That side is a 7020. So where it is 7014? See here 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 7014 here it is there. So in this also you have to check ones digit. What is a ones digit here? 4 it is. 4 is less than 5 or greater than 5? Yes, 4 is a less than 5. Less than 5 means you have to take this side or that side. Yes, this side you have to take. What is this side closed figure? 7010. So 7010 is a closed figure. So 7014 rounds up to what is a 7010. This is a rounds up to the 7010. Okay children, next bit is second bit. What is the second bit? Rounding to the nearest 100. Okay, rounding to the nearest 100. So let us see number 10,918. Okay, 10,918. Once you have to check your number line. Here 10,918 we can't write here. So I am taking here 3 digit number. So 900 to 1000. 900 to 1000 I am taking number line. So what is first we are checking here 100. Nearest 100 means we are checking here tens digit. Tens place. So tens place what is the digit here? 118. 1 is there. So 918. So you have to check number line where it is 918. So it will come between 910 and 920. Okay children, 910 and 920 between it will come 918. Okay. So this 918 is less than 5 or greater than 5? Yes, it is less than 5. Less than 5 means where you will go? So you have to come this side closed figure. What is a closed figure here? 900. Okay, 900 is a closer. So you have to take here 10,918 means you have to go this side closed figure. So 10,900 is a closed figure. So 10,918 rounded up to 10,900. So you have to round this number. Okay. Next we are going to the next question is 6,433. So in this we are taking number line. Now let us see 6,433. So in this also you have to check tens place. What is the tens place here? Digit is 3. So where it is number line you have to check 430. So 400 to 500 here we are taking number line. So where it is 430? Here it is there. 430 here is there. 33 means between this two number it will come. Okay, 430 between this two number middle it will come. Yes or no? Yeah. Okay. So 3 means less than 5 or greater than 5? Yes, 3 is the less than 5. So you are going to the this side closer. Okay, this side closer you have to round up. So what is the this side closer? 400. So you have to round up 400. So 6,433 rounds are rounded up to 6,400. Okay, 6,400 is a closer. Okay children. Okay. Next is a third bit is a rounding to the nearest 1,000. Okay children, you are changing here 1,000 digits. Okay, you have to check when you are going nearest 1,000 you have to check 100 digit. Okay, when you are going nearest 1,000 means you have to check 100 digit. So what is here 100 digit? Digit is 3. So 300 is there. So you have to check number line. We are going 7,000 to 8,000. So 7,398, where it is? See here, 7,300 and 7,400 between is there. Okay, yes or no children? So 7,398 is 7,300 and 7,400 between is there. So 3, this 3 is less than 5 or greater than 5? Yes, 3 it is less than 5. So you have to come this side closed figure. So what is a closer here? 7,000. So 7,398 rounded up to 7,000. Okay, 7,000. Next question is 8,038. 8,038. In this also we are checking nearest 1,000. Now we are checking here 100 place. So 100 place here 0 is there. So 100 place 0 is there. So 8,038. Where it is 8,038? Once you have to check number line. Here 8,000 to 9,000 we are taking. So where it is 8,038? See, 8,000 and 8,100 between it will become 8,038. Okay children, don't confuse. Once you can listen, 8,000 and 8,100 between it will come 8,038. So this is a less than 5. Yes or no? This is a less than 5. So which closer you have to take? So you have to take this side closed figure. What is this side closer? 8,000. Okay, 8,038 rounded up to which closer? This closer, 8,000. So less than means you have to take this side closer. Okay children, I hope you understood all. So you have to do this exercise. Remaining sums you have to write in your classwork. Okay.